If you feel unmotivated for no clear reason, you can't focus and you keep checking your phone again and again, the problem is probably not laziness, it's dopamine. Dopamine is the chemical of motivation in your brain. It's what makes you start a task, stay consistent, and work toward a reward. The problem starts when our brain gets constantly bombarded with fast dopamine, endless scrolling, short videos, games, and too much sugar. After a while, the brain adapts to this level of stimulation, and simple, meaningful tasks stop feeling rewarding. That's where dopamine detox comes in. Dopamine detox doesn't mean removing dopamine. It means reducing artificial and instant sources of pleasure so your brain can resensitize and motivation can come back. Here are 5 simple ways to do a dopamine detox.
Method 1. For at least 30 minutes after waking up, do not use your phone. No messages, no social media, no videos. This single habit can completely change your focus for the rest of the day. Method 2. Eliminate multitasking. When you eat while scrolling or working while watching something, your dopamine system gets confused. Do one thing, just one. Method 3. Replace fast pleasure with hard pleasure. Walking, light exercise, learning a small skill. These create real dopamine, not the short-lived kind. Method 4. When you feel bored, don't escape it. Boredom is not dangerous. It's actually where creativity comes back and the brain resets itself. Method 5. Don't sacrifice your sleep. Lack of sleep directly damages the dopamine system. Good sleep is the strongest form of detox. Remember, dopamine is not your enemy. Overconsumption is. With a few simple changes, focus and motivation can return.